This video is of the NorCal Classic Car Club of America cruise, Napa Valley cruise, barbecue, and tour. So we're starting out here at the house with a group of cars and people, and then we'll head over for our tour of a private car collection, one of the neighbors. Following that, we go to Napa Valley Antique Tours with his collection of Packards that he uses in touring the Napa Valley. And the president of NorCal is David Clover here, and he's in charge of this whole thing regardless of what anybody else says. Okay, thanks, Dave. And so we're going to just wander through here and get everybody. We're going to round up and have a driver's meeting. Driver's meeting in 3 minutes.
You gonna put this on TV like that guy with the station wagon?
Yes.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure.
Driver's meeting in 3 minutes. Driver's meeting in 2 minutes, out front.
I'm not a driver. Oh, okay.
Almost ready to go. We're going to get out front there and have a little meeting, and we'll be ready to mount up. Okay, so there you have it. Thanks for watching.